If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Alrighty guys, welcome back to Ford aficionado. And today I bought some cooling system repair from my dad's Expedition. See if we can stop that leak. It's the Bars High Mileage Cooling System Repair. Guaranteed to seal and stop leaks. And it's 2 dual action formula. Prevents antifreeze loss, temperature and costly breakdowns, and stops coolant leaks, overheating, and other cooling system problems. Just pour it in the radiator and then top it up and drive it. Drive it and idle it for about 15 minutes. So we're going to try and see what happens. Hope it fixes it. Alright guys, so we got the bars leak in, got the radiator full. So we're going to take it and drive around for about 15-20 minutes. Let it idle for 10-15 minutes. And see what happens. So let's go. Let's see what it'll do. Oh, I hope this fixes it. I really do. Stupid rain. I tell you. People don't understand my dislike for the rain, but it really is annoying. 289,791 miles. Alrighty guys, so we're out driving around. We're going to drive around in about 15-20 minutes. Hopefully this stuff will work through. And we'll see what happens. $290,000 miles almost. Runs and shifts like a dream. Doesn't burn any oil. I tell you, you just can't beat a Ford. I don't care what anybody says. Plenty of working room under the hood. Never done anything in this thing except change the oil and filter every 5,000 miles. It is getting time for brakes, and this thing, this thing's been to Virginia several times. It's been to Savannah. It's been all over the place. Never broke down. You know, I put a brand new set of tires on it. It is time for brakes, like I mentioned. I changed the thermostat about 2 years ago, and I need to flush the cooling system out and put some fresh coolant in it, because it's got straight water in it right now. It's never good for a cooling system. It'll corrode the block and everything else. It needs to be flushed out good. But I'm gonna drive around a good 15-20 minutes and just see what happens. Hopefully this stuff works. Because to change out the radiator on one of these things is not easy. Got to take the grill off. Got to pull the fan out of the way. Got to disconnect the transmission lines, the AC lines, and I don't have the equipment to do all that with. The AC lines especially. You can't let the refrigerant vent into the atmosphere. It destroys the ozone layer. But we'll see what happens. I'll drive it around, like I said, 15-20 minutes. Let it idle for about 10-15 minutes. And it's not running hot, so. But 289,795 miles. I changed the oil around 288,000, so it's only been about 1,000 miles. Radio works, speaker works, cruise control works, all lights work. I do need to put a headlight assembly on the driver's side where it got hit. Be doing that soon maybe. But slow down to about 50 here. Speed limit's 45. Something else I'm gonna be doing soon. Changing the power steering fluid. 290,000 miles. I checked the power steering fluid the other day, and that stuff is black. Black as diesel oil. So it does need to be changed, and I'm gonna be changing it soon. I started to change it the other day, but I'll be doing it soon. It's not really that big of a deal, but I do want to change it because it needs it. I say change your power steering fluid, transmission fluid every 50,000 miles. If you don't have, a hydraulic power steering system, you have electronic, then you ain't got to worry about it. You just don't want to go in through deep water. And so keep that in mind. But everything I got's got hydraulic power steering, so I don't have to worry about it. Change the fluid every 50,000 miles, and problem solved. We'll get back to you in a minute. Drive around a little bit more, and hopefully this fixes it. I tell you. Alrighty, guys. So here it is. Been about 15 minutes. I'm about to turn around and head back toward the house, and let it idle for about another 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And I pray to the good Lord that this stuff works. I tell you, my dad's been having to put water in it every morning before he goes to work, and every day before he leaves work, and then he has to stop several times coming home to put water in it. So I'm hoping this is gonna fix it. Pray to the good Lord. But there's DG Market. Alrighty, guys, so there you have it. I'm back from the road trip. Like I said, I pray that the bars leak, high mileage cooling system repair works, because the hole really wasn't that big. And I already put some of that, what's that stuff called? Flex seal caulk on it, Flex caulk. And works with small leaks, medium leaks, coolant, engines, gas, diesel, and turbo, overheating. Contains extreme cool, heater core leaks, radiator leaks, and water pump lubricant. Like I said, I hope this stuff works. I drove around a good 15, 25, 30 minutes, something like that. And so, like I said, hopefully it fixes it. But thank y'all for watching, and this is the Ford Aficionado out. I'll see you in the next one.